guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and I have a really fun and super easy recipe for you today. Now, you know that we love easy on this channel, but we also love delicious. So sometimes you have to complicate things a little bit, but not in this recipe. We are making, they're kind of like Hawaiian skewers or a Hawaiian appetizer, but ham and pineapple, little skewers that are perfect for game day, the Super Bowl, or honestly, if you have leftover ham and just want a little snack, it goes good for all of that. So let's get started. So the first step is to get your ham and your pineapple onto toothpicks. Depending on what you're making them for, you can decorate them a little bit, but just a regular toothpick will do. Now you're gonna want your ham at the end of the toothpick, and you definitely want your ham on the bottom. So pineapple, ham, push it to the end. Super easy, nothing complicated here. There's nothing complicated about this recipe, and it is actually really super delicious. You guys are gonna love it. I told you this recipe was easy. There is not a lot of steps, but the next one is we're gonna use the Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce, only because I love this and it goes so well for this recipe. If you can't find this in your food store, it is pretty readily available now, but if you can't, any type of like smoky barbecue sauce or anything with kind of like a Hawaiian flair to it, you definitely want something that's like sweet and a little bit, spicy. They actually might even have like a different kind of Polynesian sauce, but we're using Chick-fil-A today. Love it or hate it. I mean, it's just so good. So all you're gonna do is coat the bottom of your pan with whatever sauce you're using. You're gonna actually coat the entire pan, so just squeeze it out. And then you're gonna just cook it on medium heat until it warms up a bit, and then rotate your skewers in the sauce. I told you this one was easy. So you're gonna place all your skewers down into your sauce and let them cook for about 2 to 4 minutes on each side. You want them to kind of like caramelize a little bit and really kind of get in that sauce, and then just rotate them. The easiest way to do that is just with some tongs. Give them a rotate, plate them, and trust me, this is probably the easiest appetizer you've ever made, but it is delicious. And after that time in the pan, they're done. I told you it was easy, and trust me, this recipe, simple as it is so good. It's easy, it's fun, it's delicious, and honestly, like sometimes easy is good, right? Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.